God, I thank you for this wonderful harvest.
One small tomato.
Just watch and share. Like and comment.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I feel good. La 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 la. Jesus, God, I thank you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So the reason why I'm making this video is to show you guys how productive my garden is, and also for those who doesn't have a massive farmland or garden, who lives abroad, and then you might be wondering, oh, I like planting things. You can start it with anything you have, like bag, buckets, anything. You produce any amount you produce is okay. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and then if you are bored staying inside your house, lying down doing nothing, go to your garden. Your garden is calling you, man. Okay. So this is the small one I got on my back garden. The reason why I cut these ones off is because the plant is already dead, so I'll keep them by the window so that the sun will help it to get ripe. Imagine one pot of soup, stew or soup, whatever. Okay. So this is pumpkin leaf, so we're gonna harvest them now. This is wow. So I'll wash them, cut them, and then put them in the freezer. The same thing goes with this my tomatoes. I pick the ones I want to use and then keep the main one to get ripe properly. Okay? Make use of your garden. Right?
Tomatoes?
Pardon?
Tomatoes.
No, this is potato. Wow. I got big one. I got big one. Okay. This is the one tomato. One small tomato. This one is the tomato. Whoa. I feel good. La 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 la. Jesus, God, I thank you. Whoa. For the length of my potato, what I planted was something like this, and then I got this and this and this, and I still more coming. Okay. So this is all I think for now. This is all the harvest I got today. Tomatoes and potatoes, this one is just one bag of one seed, one of them that I planted and I got this. I still have more in the back garden, but the one that my husband planted in his own special way. And then I still have my pumpkin leaf, and the pumpkin leaf will be there till maybe winter starts. So stay tuned. I hope you will enjoy this video and my excitement on what I got in my garden, my small garden. And then I hope you will join me in the next season, God's willing, God's grace, 2025 by God's grace. But I still have some.
God, I thank you
I just have a
for this wonderful
At least it will last.
harvest. Just watch and like.
With
Also
love,
drop your
and God bless you all.
comment
Enjoy this
if you like this video.
comment if you would
Like, comment, share.
So this is all
Also,
I got for today.
subscribe to my
And,
YouTube channel
My massive potato.
at Blessing Anthony
I'm
2141.
so happy. At least
God
hard
bless
work
you all.
pays. This is just one bag.
God,
of
I
this
thank
bag
you
thing that I invested.
for this
I
wonderful
harvested today.
harvest.
Okay? And then I still have more to
Just
harvest.
watch and like.
If this video
Also drop
puts
your
smile on your face,
comment
or makes you happy,
if you like this
drop
video.
your comment and subscribe to
Like,
my YouTube channel.
comment,
Thank you so
share.
much. Bye.
Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Blessing Anthony 2141.